construction ready to start. As you guys can see, I have my team on the back. So we took the lift downs already. We're taking that other alignment machine down. We have a lot of work. This got to be done soon. Next week, the construction company is going to come down. They're going to do the floor. Right after do the floor, and the dyno is going to be right up here. The dyno, right in that area. And so we're doing a major remodeling on the shop, and not only here but also up front on the main offices too. So gonna keep you guys updated. Looking forward to these big changes that we're doing on it. Super excited for that. Unos cambios tremendos, dramáticos vienen para este negocio. So excited for this. Super contento. And of course, you know, with our brand rebranding our business to different name, different character, and so a lot of great stuff coming in for our shop. You are blessed. We're just waiting for Victor Anthony to take that apart so we can, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the lining machine out. So just waiting for them to get done with that section right there. Super excited for this, man, and this is something that we planned actually a month ago, and finally the time has come. Sometimes changes are good for a company. Like I was saying before, we're trying to rebrand our shop. We're gonna take Gonzalez Automotive to the next level. That's why we actually a lot of changes we are doing for the company, and we have another goal too. Our goal is to towards the future, get into a channel. Can't mention names, but that's coming. And that's why we went and got the Hellcat is up there, the Dodge. You guys can see it. Yeah. And so once we get done, once we get done with the car, actually the car's got a 707 horsepower. With the red key, with the black key, they only give you like 500. But by the time we got done with the Hellcat Dodge, that's gonna be like 1,000 horsepower. Of course, we're gonna take that to the track. You guys gonna see the processing on the car, on the shop, and just looking forward to the big changes that we're doing. And I'm proud of my team. And you don't build anything by yourself. It takes a team and takes dedication, and you can see a lot of my posts in my personal page or on the podcast that we have on, and also now that we are rebranding the shop with different name on it, and everything that we do it with our heart and staying focused. People complain about 2020. Let me tell them, 2020 has been good to us. Even circumstances that we went through with the coronavirus and all that stuff on it. But one thing what we did, we stayed focused. We went down a little bit on the company. A lot of changes we had to go through like everybody else, but we bounced back. And that's the whole idea, bouncing back. and I'm gonna take you in the whole process and how we're gonna take this to another level.